Hi, my name is Daniel Graham, and this is my good/bad website Smackdown. Good websites. So a good web design is extremely important to a good website, and it should be modern. It should provide smaller bits of information at a time that is relevant to the user. The pages connected to the home page should load fast, and subpages should serve a purpose. The site needs to be user-friendly. It should be easy to navigate. It should be used by any browser like Firefox, Safari, or etc. And you need to make sure your website is up to date. Bad websites have no logical structure. The user can be confused when using the website and does not know how to navigate. It is hard for users to find the information they want, and it might be too disruptive advertising, so too much advertising all over the page, and it lacks mobile consideration. So saying if you wanted to go on your phone and look at this website, could you go on your phone? Um, my bad website is called Blinky. Blinky is poorly designed with no real logical structure. Some words on the website are blurry. Blinky looks like a child designed it years ago, and it needs to be updated right away. Looking at Blinky, you can see at the bottom it has some hippie kind of design, and it has pot leaves all over it, and at the top it's blurry, and it's just not well put together. And my good website is Feed, and Feed gets its purpose across clearly in a modern way. The design is clean, and the website is easier and user-friendly and easy to navigate. The smaller bits of information is clear, and the website serves a positive purpose. So when I go on Feed, it has a clean look to it, and also it serves a good purpose of feeding the children of the world. So when you buy a bag, you provide meals to somebody. And as you scroll down, it shows you what's new and um, how you can shop now and give meals. And it's just clean and a really good website that I would use. And that's my presentation.